Hey guys, this is Mansoor from Tech, and there are a lot of mini Bluetooth speakers out there. Most of them don't offer good sounds, but today I bought a portable Bluetooth speaker which doesn't suck and offer great sound. So stick till the end to find out. This is the TG024 portable speaker. Let's have a quick unboxing session. The box is very much detailed, just few information about the speaker and its other colors. We will remove the info slit and open the box. Straight we are treated with the speaker wrapped in plastic. We will take it out and keep it aside for a bit and have a look at the accessories first. We are having an aux cable and a micro USB cable for charging the speaker. Both the cables do look cheap. You wouldn't have any problem as you might have tons of them lying around. So there is a user manual. As you know, we do not need this. So just plug it and throw it away. Now we will free the speaker from the plastic wrap and just review it. So the speaker is cylindrical with rounded edges. It is black, which gives an elegant look. The back along with the sides have matte rubber finish. Underneath are anti-gravity rubber grips for keeping the speaker in place. There are 4 circular buttons on the top, which are from the right the volume up button, the pause and play, and the call answering button. Yes, there is a microphone on the back which lets you attend calls.
3340311.
The next is the mode button. It means a Bluetooth mode, an aux mode, USB or micro SD card mode, as well as an FM mode. So there is a variety to choose from. The last button is the volume low button. The back is housing all the ports. A micro USB port for charging, a USB-A port for your flash drive, a micro SD card port, a microphone for your calls, and a power button for turning on the Bluetooth speaker, as well as the audio jack. On turning it on indicates the blue flashing light showing that it is in pairing mode. After pairing, the LED indicator stays on. The speaker can be kept in any direction, but it tends to be horizontal as the rubber grips are down below. The speaker is nice and compact, so it can be carried away easily and fits in any bag. The front is housing the driver and a so pretty looking thread fiber coating grill, which emulsifies the sound naturally. Remember that the speaker is not waterproof, so you should be careful. One thing would be pinching your mind that how it sounds. So here is a sound test on Bluetooth mode.
Price my watch. Got no jumper, but I ball a lot. Bitch on your stony, I do it I want. Candy paint with the white on top. Lambo doors or the woo up drop. If you busy plotting on what I.
It sounds pretty damn good. While here is the sound test from the aux mode. Remember, there is a difference in sound while I record and when you listen through your speaker. But this mini speaker sounds great compared to its size and has high bass. That's the thing I love about the speaker. The LED turns red and the built-in assistant notifies you when the battery gets low and also powers it off itself when not in use to save the battery. So it also works on a smarter way as well. The speaker fully charged gives you about 4 to 5 hours of battery time and takes 1.5 hours to get fully charged. This speaker is a must-have for tech enthusiasts like me, as it offers great in such a low cost and is also available in nice decent matte colors as well. So guys, hope you like the video. Comment your precious thought. Make sure to subscribe the channel as you guys are the source to bring smile on my face. Take care. Peace out.